हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वंस अगेन आई वेलकम यू ऑल टू द सोनी क्राफ्ट चैनल। सो आज की वीडियो में हम बनाएंगे रेजिन कोस्टर्स। सो फॉर दीज ब्यूटीफुल रेजिन कोस्टर्स आई हैव यूज्ड MDF coasters as a base, and will make them with the resin. So I hope you guys will enjoy the process. So for resin, whenever you work with resin, there are certain supplies which we really need to have. उनमें से है weighing scale, gloves, your respirator mask, your leveler, then disposable cups, ice cream sticks, or silicone stick, sticks to mix the resin. So यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं, I'm just arranging my coaster on the level surface on the disposable cups, so that I can pour the resin on them. And before I start the resin work, what I will do is that I am just putting a latex liquid rubber solution on the back side of my coaster, so that any drip of the resin can be removed easily. Now after placing the coasters on the cup, I am just confirming that the surface is still level and all the coasters are placed nicely on the surface. Now I will just mix the resin based on the given instruction on the bottle. I am using 3:1 resin here, so I'll mix the resin very thoroughly, and then I'll add my pigments. For these coasters I will stick to only two colors, which is golden and dark teal color, and I'm using epoxy fortune chemi pigment and hexan golden gold pigment here, and the resin which I'm using is from Resin Cult. So I'll just mix the resin with the pigments, and then I'll do the pouring. So hope you guys will enjoy the pouring process. Now it's almost 24 hours when I poured the resin, so it's time to check that whether it is cured or not. So it is fully cured, and now I'm just removing the latex from the back side, so if any drips are there, can be removed, and then we can work on the back side of the coasters. So for finishing, what I did was that I simply sand the coasters on the sides and slightly from the back side, and then painted them on with the dark teal color, acrylic colors I used here, and painted them at the back, and then on the four sides of the coasters I applied the golden chalk paints. And after this, when this is the coasters are completely ready, and for the coaster stand I simply use the black and teal color combination with the metallic chalk paint, and with some dry brushing technique I just give a very simple but antique look to the coaster stand. So what I'll do now next is that after some time, or say after 2 days, I'll just do the flood coat on these coasters to make the shine for a longer duration. So, and this is how the coasters, the prettiest coasters, are already ready. Thank you. Thanks for watching.